Hi everyone, I'm Pawan and today I'm talking about the Canon Powershot V10 digital camera. This camera is perfect for anyone looking to create professional quality 4K videos with ease. It has a 25.4 mm CMOS sensor with DigicX and is capable of capturing approx 13.1 megapixels during full HD 16:9 movie recording and approx 15.2 megapixels during still photo shooting. It also has a 19 mm wide-angle lens for capturing more in shot without stretching your arm. The Powershot V10 is ultra-compact and lightweight at 211 grams, making it easy to hold in your hand and fit in your pocket. It also has a built-in stand and microphone so you can elevate your content and record your vlogs steadily. Plus, the smooth skin tones features will make you look amazing in your videos. So, if you are looking for a camera that can help you create professional quality 4K videos with ease, then check out the Canon Powershot V10 digital camera today.
Guys, if you're in the market for a new camera, there are several things to consider before making the purchase. Here is a buying guide to help you choose the right kind of camera for your needs. Here are some of the most common types of cameras. Instant cameras, ideal for capturing instant memories and producing physical prints. Action cameras, best for outdoor enthusiasts and extreme sports, capturing hands-free footage. Point and shoot digital cameras, easy to use and portable, perfect for everyday photography. DSLR cameras, best for professional photographers, providing advanced manual controls and interchangeable lenses. Mirrorless cameras, a newer type of camera that provides the quality of DSLRs in a smaller and lighter body. Bullet cameras, best for outdoor surveillance, providing high-quality video and images with wide-angle lenses and night vision. In addition to the camera, there are several types of lenses available as well, each with its own specific use and benefits. Here are some of the most common types of camera lenses. Standard lenses, also known as normal lenses, these lenses have a focal length of around 50 mm and are suitable for everyday photography. They offer a natural perspective that is similar to what the human eye sees. Wide-angle lens. These lenses have a shorter focal length, typically between 10 to 35 mm, and are ideal for capturing wide landscapes or fitting more into a frame. Telephoto lenses. These lenses have a longer focal length, typically between 70 to 300 mm, and are great for capturing subjects from a distance such as wildlife or sports photography. Macro lenses. These lenses are designed for close-up photography and allow you to capture small subjects with great detail. They typically have a magnification ratio of 1:1 or greater. Zoom lenses. Zoom lenses have a variable focal length, allowing you to zoom in and out without having to switch lenses. They are versatile and can be used for a wide range of photography styles. When choosing a camera lens, it is important to consider the focal length, aperture, and image stabilization. Additionally, you should think about the specific type of photography that you want to pursue and choose a lens that is suitable for your needs. Guys, I sure hope you found this guide helpful. Happy photography!
Canon Powershot V10. Get ready to step into the world of creative content creation with the Powershot V10, your ultimate pocketable 4K video companion. Elevate your creativity. The Powershot V10 boasts an expansive wide view coverage, a built-in stand, a large stereo microphone, setting the stage for captivating content creation. Ignite your visual journey with stunning clarity. The 1.0 type back-illuminated CMOS sensor empowers you to capture high-resolution images with vibrant detail. Unleash your storytelling prowess with the Powershot V10 as it features a 20.0 megapixel sensor for stills and offers impressive 4K at 30 FPS and Full HD at 60 FPS for video creation. Leave noise behind and embrace brilliance. The camera delivers exceptional performance with an ISO range of up to 12,800 for stills, ISO 3200 for 4K videos, and ISO 6400 for Full HD videos. Focus on your vision, leave the rest to the camera. With face tracking autofocus, your subjects remain sharp and clear, enabling you to capture moments effortlessly. Carry creativity wherever you go. Weighing just 211 grams, the Powershot V10 is pocketable and lightweight. Also capture more within the frame, with the wide angle lens of 18mm for stills and 19mm for video. Embrace stability and superior sound. The built-in stand empowers you to capture creative shots from various angles. The large stereo microphone ensures immersive sound, enhancing the viewer's experience. So to summarize, Canon Powershot V10 comes with expansive wide view coverage, a built-in stand and a large stereo microphone. Brings you Canon's smallest and lightest mirrorless technology. 20 megapixel 1.0 type back illuminated CMOS sensor. Offers impressive 4K at 30 fps and Full HD at 60 fps. ISO range of 100 to 12,800 for different modes. It's time to unleash your creativity and tell your stories with unmatched clarity and charm. So don't wait and grab yours now on Amazon.